So today I thought I'd make a quick video to show the transition from my old shift knob in here to the new shift knob, the new idea I had. So what I got currently is the unused grip from my AR-15. I went with a Magpul grip, or no, take that back, it's a Umbrella Corporation. I got an Umbrella Corporation on my AR-15, so I didn't use the standard grip. So I did this homemade botch job of filling in the top part with some strips of cardboard that I glued together, and then used JB Weld to try to smooth it out and sand it over, and screwed that onto the shift knob, and that it's been okay. It's been pretty good, but I thought I wanted to try something different, so I wanted to use a skateboard wheel as my shift knob. So I got some Powell Peralta Golden Dragon wheels here. Brand new fresh ones, and I'm going to try to put this on here today. Hopefully this works. Alright, first things first is remove the old grip. Now this wasn't even threaded or tapped, I just kind of carefully threaded the old grip onto there, and it cut threads in the plastic as I put it on here. So pull that one out. Now this would go all the way down, so that's not going to work. So we got some hardware instead, and I'm looking for the proper screw here. I looked on the forums, and supposedly M8-125 is the proper size and pitch for this. So let's see if that was correct. Hopefully they were right. Oh, they seem to be right. Sweet. Put that on. Do it that way. These are nylock nuts, so I wanted them to hold on, but that means I gotta use the wrench to get it down there. Okay, that's all the way down. Got a couple sizes of washers here. Wasn't sure which one was going to exactly fit the skateboard wheel. Try the smaller ones first. Hope that I chose correctly. Oh yeah, well, okay. Maybe. Let's try the medium-sized ones. Oh yeah, that fits right in there. Cool. Alright, so we need the other one. Pop it in the top. And the last M8-125 lock nut. Oh, I didn't mention at the beginning, this is a Toyota Tundra 2012. So your shift knob, or I'm sorry, shifter stick might not be the same size. I'll go get the skate tool so I can tighten that up properly. Alright, get that centered on there the way I want it. Tighten this guy up. And there we go. I like that, man. Now let's turn the truck on. Dude, that's good. I like it. Change up from what we used to have. I like this. It looks good. Oh, fits my hand perfect. These were 53. I had tried some other wheels. Just grabbed them off my skateboard in the house. 54s. So I got big hands. I don't know. That seems to fit nice. Feels good. Anyway, cool. That was a good success. All right. Thanks for watching.